Hey, what's up guys? I got a package from AWH Custom Lures. So, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Actually, this side feels a lot lighter. Okay. We got it open. Still love to do that. Alright, we're going to start out with this. It's a AWH Custom hat, boys and girls. That is fine. Trade out for the old PFG. Thing is fine, boys. Now we're gonna get into this. Ooh, I've been ready for this one, guys. We have got the AWH Custom shirt. Boys and girls, this thing is fire. Here, let's go ahead and we're gonna throw it on. There she is. Whew. This thing is pretty comfortable. So, I like this one. I will definitely be fishing a ton in this. All the sleeves are rolled. Alright, first bait. Here. Oh, we'll do the biggest package last. Oh. A spook. Y'all, that looks fire. Comes in. That is definitely going to be getting tied on. Alright. Look at this small. I know what that is. Alright, we're going to start out with the package. Look at this popper. I'm going to pull it out. That thing is sick. Again, got them nice hook guards. I'll probably order a bunch of hook guards. I get tired of getting my stuff just getting hooked up in the crankbait box. We got this color right here. Oh, let me get this up there. Y'all, pull this one out. Thing's nice. Alright, last crankbait. Same color, different bill. This one's going to dive just a little bit shallower. This thing is awesome. Okay, so we're going to put that back in its cage. Alright, now for the big pack. Alright, I'm going to grab that blindly. These are the parachute bug. And get this thing out of here. That's your parachute bug. It's gonna be trailing behind my jigs, my spinner baits, swim baits. It's a June bug color, so it's the right color for right now. So let's see what else. Let's grab another one. Pull that back up a little bit. Okay. Woo! Some watermelon red kicker worms. So guys, I have never seen a worm like this. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh. He got like little paddles on him. So those are really cool, guys. Ooh. Man, I am super excited about this already. Alright, we got some more 7-inch kicker worms. They're in June bug. Really great colors. I got a few more bags. Some more 7-inch kicker worms. Watermelon copper. Y'all, that color is awesome. Never seen watermelon copper. I will definitely be throwing these soon. Some more. Oh no, these are swamp bugs. Oh, these are just like bandito bugs. Got these watermelon red right here. These are awesome. Whew. Some more some swamp bugs, June bug. Holy boys. Some parachute bugs. Or silver color. I think this is his new color. You'll need some of these. Alright, last bag. Some 3.5-inch crawl worms. In watermelon copper. Oh, this stuff is awesome. So, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Definitely go check out AWH Custom Lures. Their baits are just off the charts, guys. So, get a shirt, get a hat, all the baits. And I will see you guys in the next vid. Thank you.